In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deploy your app in Base44, step by step. We'll walk through the exact flow to take your work from the editor and make it available to your users. By the end, you'll know where to publish, what to expect during deployment, and how to share the live link with confidence. First, finalize your app in the editor. This is the moment to make sure your features, design, and content are truly ready for prime time. Check key screens, confirm that buttons and links go where they should, and skim your text for typos. If your app supports multiple devices, quickly glance at common breakpoints to ensure layouts look clean. The goal here is simple. The version you see in the editor should be the version you're comfortable showing your audience. Next, locate the Publish button in the Base44 interface. It's typically easy to spot in the top navigation bar or inside a prominent settings or deployment panel. If your window is narrow, you might see it tucked behind a menu. Take a moment to verify you're in the right workspace and project so you publish exactly what you intend. Now click Publish and confirm. Base44 will prompt you to verify that you want to push your latest changes live. This confirmation is a helpful safeguard, especially if you've made several edits since your last release. Read the prompt, then proceed to publish when you're ready. Remember, publishing makes the current editor state the live version your audience will use. From here, deployment is instant. Base44 automatically updates the hosted version of your application, and this usually takes only a few moments. You may see a brief progress indicator, and then your changes are live. If you don't notice updates right away, refresh your browser or clear a cached view. The platform has already pushed the new build. Your app is now available at its unique Base44 URL or at your custom domain if you've configured one previously. Copy the link and share it with your audience, your team, or early testers. Include a short note about what's new to guide their attention. If you use a custom domain, keep that URL consistent in your communications so users learn and trust the address they see. And that's it. Finalize in the editor, find the publish button, click and confirm, let the instant deployment run, and share your live link. Follow this flow each time you release updates and you'll keep your app current without friction. Thanks for watching and happy shipping.